closely at this painting. At first glance, it seems peaceful, almost quiet. A small village rests beneath the night sky, still, silent, as if the world below has already fallen asleep. But the longer you look, the more something unusual begins to appear. The stars do not feel still. The sky does not feel silent. Everything seems to move, slowly, endlessly, like a living ocean flowing above the sleeping town. This is The Starry Night, painted by Vincent van Gogh in 1889. More than a landscape, it feels like a moment suspended between calm and chaos. Below the sky, the village remains still. The houses are dark. A few windows glow softly in the quiet night. Nothing seems to disturb the peaceful town. And yet, above it, the sky refuses to rest. The stars spin in glowing spirals. The moon burns like a lantern in the darkness. Deep blue currents swirl across the heavens, as if the universe itself were breathing. Between the village and the sky rises a tall, dark cypress tree, almost like a black flame, reaching upward. In many traditions, cypress trees symbolize morning, eternity, and the fragile line between earth and the infinite. Here, it stands like a bridge between two worlds, the world of people below, calm and silent, and the world of the cosmos above, vast, moving, and alive. Van Gogh painted this work during one of the most difficult periods of his life. At the time, he was living in Saint-Rémy-de-Provence, in the south of France. He could see the hills and the night sky beyond them. But what he created here was not simply a copy of the landscape outside his window. It was something deeper, something emotional, something internal. Van Gogh once wrote that the night was richer in color than the day. And when we look at this painting, we can feel exactly what he meant. The darkness is not empty here. It is full of movement, full of rhythm, full of light. The sky is not painted like a flat background. It pulses with energy. The stars feel almost like distant galaxies. The clouds twist like rivers of light. The entire scene seems alive, not in a literal way, but in an emotional one. That is part of what makes this painting so unforgettable. Its beauty is undeniable, but its true power lies deeper than beauty alone. There is emotion hidden inside every swirl of blue, every burst of gold, every silent rooftop below. Van Gogh struggled deeply throughout his life. He lived with loneliness, instability, and suffering that shaped the way he saw the world. And yet, in the middle of that darkness, he created some of the most luminous paintings in the history of art. From far away, the starry night may seem serene, but the longer you stay with it, the more the sky begins to suggest something else. Movement, intensity, restlessness. It feels as if the heavens themselves are alive, with thought and feeling, almost as if we are not looking at the night sky alone, but at the inner world of the artist. Now imagine, standing inside this village. The houses remain still around you. The paths are quiet. A gentle wind moves through the hills, and then you look up. The sky is overwhelming. Stars whirl like golden storms. The moon glows like a burning sun. Blue currents of night swirl endlessly above your head. And suddenly, you realize something strange. The village feels calm, but the universe above it feels infinite and alive. Perhaps that is why this painting continues to captivate millions of people around the world. It does not simply show us a night scene. It gives shape to a feeling that many of us have known, but could never fully explain. That strange mixture of wonder, solitude, beauty, and emotional intensity. that appears when we look up into the night. More than a century later, those swirling stars still move inside our imagination. The village still sleeps beneath them, and Vincent van Gogh's sky continues to remind us how mysterious, how restless, and how beautiful the universe can feel.